with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly.
Hi guys, good morning. So this videos guys is papunta kami ng fun run guys. So this is 3:30 AM guys. So yan, inaantok pa siya guys. Kasi nga sobrang aga guys kasi sumasali kami sa fun run guys. So madilim pa siya. So yes. Hi guys, good morning. So for today's videos guys, meron kaming sinasalian na fun run, drug awareness, fun run 2025. Pero ngayon, papunta pa lang kami. So, umambon siya. So, hi guys. Hi be. Morning. So, 3:47. Actually, 3:30 yung open ng gate. Pero mamaya pa talagang 4 yung, pinaka gun time or ganyan. So, yes. Umambon na guys. Para kami mag-fun run dito. Yes, yan. Siya. So, ito yung siya. So, parang nakasafe na talaga siya. Ito yun. Kaso, medyo lumalakas yung ulan. Ay, yung ambon. Lord, huwag naman palakas eh. Kasi, siya. So, ang namin guys, category namin ay 10K. Ben. Category 10K kaya guys. So yes. Naglalakad pa kami. Lumalakas na yung ambon. So in this videos guys, umambon na nga siya guys. So hindi lang siya ambon, kundi lakas na yung ambon niya guys. So syempre parang nalungkot din ako kasi nalungkot kami. Kasi nga ano ba yan, sumasali tayo sa fun run tapos umaambon. But thanks God, nung pagpunta namin dito sa event, so ito mismo yung yung ginanapan ng event ng fun run. So medyo humina-hina siya, pero sumisilong pa kami niyan kasi talagang parang na talaga siya, lumalakas na yung ambon niya. So parang ulan na talaga siya. So yan guys, nagantay muna kami kasi nga parang pinapatila pa nila yung ulan. At saka ready na, naka-set up na lahat. Marami ng mga runners na nagsidatingan guys. Nagpicture-picture muna kami. Kasi yun na nga, parang excited kasi kami na nakasali sa isang fun run guys. Kasi sa buong buhay ko, ngayon pa lang ako nakasali or ngayon pa lang kami nakasali sa isang fun run guys na run for a cause siya guys. So nagpicture muna kami sa mga sumasali dyan. So ito yung pinaka-event place sa Moriones Street sa may Intramuros. So actually guys, ang daming sumasali sa fun run guys. So ini-enjoy lang namin.
For our youth, where they can grow, learn, and reach their full potential, free from dangers of drugs. At the same time, we are also celebrating the National Students' Day, observed every November 17 under Republic Act number 11369. This day honors the vital role of students in shaping our democracy and building a better future for our nation. Also, we have the nation booth for the Survivor Latino and Type 1 Religious Autism, our helpness and risk claiming area. To check out the drug counseling booth of
So, ang drug awareness fun run guys ay meron sa Iloilo, tapos na sa Iloilo, CDO, then ngayon sa Manila na siya guys. Kaya free register, so sumali kami.
Good morning, Manila Runners! Well, I love that energy over there. And once again, welcome Drug Awareness Fun Run 2025. This leg of our fun run, I can see some amazing people already coming here. Come here closer to the stage. All right. And you're just, look at it. All of you, you're just proving that rain stop you from being awesome tonight or today. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, again, if you're going to post some videos or photos on your socials, don't forget our hashtag. We have our hashtag Drug Awareness Fun Run and hashtag N1. our national anthem.
So, yun na nga guys, pagkatapos ng national anthem, so meron silang pasomba muna guys for warm up bago mag-start yung running namin guys. So, yan, nag-warm up muna kami, nag-zumba kasi meron ding zumba instructor guys. So yes guys, malapit na mag-start. So, picture muna kami dyan. So, mag-start na.
Alright, everyone is ready. So 10 kilometer participants, please proceed to the start area in our race marketing council, Manila City Engineering Office, SKCD Federation President, Honorable Juliana Ray E. We would also like to thank our official venue partner, the Intramuros Administration headed by Attorney Joan Padilla. We are excited to officially so let's count. Wait for the alarm before starting. 25, 24. Also, our very own NYC Executive Director, Kilometer 1. 13, 12. Let's count the times together. 1.
Let's go!
Woo!
Team K.
Good morning, runners! It's 10K.
Kaya mo pa. Thank you guys.
First look, 5:32.
First look mo. First look. Magaganda mo. Hindi. Pasok sa ako!
Second look.
Mayroon ako sa CS. Mayroon ako sa
So, second loop. Kailangan ng 4 loop for 10K. 10 kilometers. Let's go!
So, yan na nga guys. Pa-third loop na kami guys. So, kailangan kasi ng fourth loop for 10 kilometers. So, 10 category yung kinukuha namin guys. Yung nirarun namin. So, feeling namin hindi namin naabutin, hindi kakayanin. Pero, syempre, kailangan namin itong tapusin para magiging fraud kami sa sarili namin na kaya pala namin. So yan, pa third loop na yan siya guys. So kailangan pa ng 2 more loops or 2 more ikot siya guys. Kaya kailangan tapusin mo muna guys yung yung pagtatakbo mo dyan guys. Kaya syempre syempre nakakapagod, masakit na yung paa mo, pero syempre parang nasanay na rin ako guys kasi lagi naman kami nagra-running sa may sa may Luneta guys. Kaya hindi na nanibago yung katawan namin. Pero itong 10 kilometers guys, parang syempre bagong sali pa lang kami, first time na sumali ng fun run. So parang nakakapanibago talaga guys, no? Kasi every time na magra-running kami nasa 5 kilometers lang. Tapos first naming sumabak sa isang fun run ay 10 kilometers agad ang kategory na kinuha namin guys. So yes, laban lang.
Hi guys! Third loop! 1 more loop for 10K.
Last one.
Yeah. Malapit na kaming matapos sa aming 10K guys. 10 kilometers, kayang-kaya. Di ba be? Kaya, 1 more last. Bye!
Pungin.
Yes! 3 loops. So, need 1 more loops for make it 10 kilometers. Hey! Yes, guys! Malapit na! I need it! We did it! Woo! Ayun na, be! We did it! We did it! We did it for the 10 kilometers!
So, yun na nga guys. Tapos na namin yung 4 loops guys. So, ito yung moment na malapit na kami sa finish line. So, ang sarap ng feeling guys. Lahat ng pagod, pawis, sakit sa paa na naranasan ko. Sobrang worth it guys. Promise. So, napaka-enjoy. Talagang masasabi ko sarili ko na ang sarap ng feeling. Tsaka, hindi ka lang fit, kundi healthy ka pa guys. So, we made it. This 10 kilometers category for this fun run for a cause. Fun run for a cause. So, hindi lang pagiging fit yung healthy mo, kundi nakatulong ka pa sa ibang tao guys. So, ang sarap ng finish line ka na guys. Sobra. So, dati pinapangarap ko lang na sasali sa isang fun run. So, this time, naranasan ko na. So, we made it, guys. So, pagkatapos, guys, meron silang pinamimigay na mga pagkain, guys, para sa mga nagra-running. So, yes, we made it and pumipila din kami dito, guys, kasi, syempre, sayang naman, libre naman eh. So, why not, diba? So, yes, 4 loops, guys, yan na. Piniplex ko yung 4 loops na yan. Kasi nga, nakayanan namin ang 10 kilometers category, guys. For the first timer, but we did it. Kasi kinuha namin ng 10 kilometers na category, guys. So, kaya pala namin. So, walang imposible, guys, kung kakayanin mo, guys. So, yes, ang sarap ng feeling, guys. Kung kayo, guys, hindi mahilig mag-fun run, hindi mahilig mag-running, try mo na kayo sa pag-run, guys. So, yes, talagang talagang masarap sa feeling guys. So yan, namimigay sila ng bananas, eggs, meron pang mga sandwiches, so may water. So yes guys, sobrang enjoy at ang bait pa ng mga staff. So yan, nakadala na ako ng egg tsaka banana. So, yes, sobrang enjoy guys, sobrang worth it ng pagod namin. So, yes, bye guys, thank you for watching.
Forget what they doing, keep on
oh, oh.